Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantelle. So today, people, we are at Villa Olori here in Canggu. It's
Lori?
So today we are in Villa Olori here in Canggu. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom villa with beautiful stunning views of rice fields. It's bold, it's full of culture, and it's amazing. I can't wait to show you around.
If you haven't done already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases.
All right, so this is the main living space. What I love about this space is the sense of grandeur, like it's huge. One of the first things that you see when you walk in is this table. Can we just appreciate this table for a minute? It's made of timber, but it's got kind of I don't know what it is, some kind of lacquer, something on it, but it's an absolutely stunning piece. And then to accompany the table, we've got these really stylish chairs that just accentuate it perfectly. Love it.
The villa comes with a fully equipped kitchen, private butler service and daily breakfast.
Then we have the main living space. There's just so many things to appreciate in this space. But firstly, hello, the light. Isn't that stunning? I love the sheer size of it, the shape of it. It's just perfect for this space. Really abstract. And then directly below, we have this beautiful coffee table. One thing about Bali is you will find the most amazing timber. So I'm not sure what this is, but the style of it, the shape of it is just really beautiful. It's like a piece of art, to be honest. In this villa, the cultural aspects are really strong, so you'll find it everywhere. So even in here in this space, we have this rug with the kind of tribal accents, the tribal patterns going on, and everything just flows really well. One of the standouts is this feature here, where we have this stone piece with the TV inserted. It's really beautiful. So this is one of the bedrooms, one of the 3 bedrooms. Like I said, the whole villa has a kind of monochromatic vibe going on with hints of timber, but where you will see colour is in the artwork. The colours just really pop and really bring everything out. I think that is such a beautiful piece. In all of the bedrooms, you'll find the most beautiful fabrics and textures. So we have these kind of mud cloth fabrics, throws and the beds, which really bring out the cultural element I've been talking to you about, and also in the pillows and cushions. So this is the office. I would not be complaining about working. This was my office. Obviously, the standout point is the mural. It's such a beautiful piece and it's so bold. I love that it's so bold and she's not being afraid to go, bold and beautiful. And then we have the matching lamp, which, I don't know, I think that's just such a beautiful touch. In addition to those pieces, another amazing piece about this room is this desk. So the detail is in the timber that sits beneath, and just look at the detail of that. I think this has got to be one of my most favorite pieces in here. It's like this console table, but I just love the shape of it. It's just like a piece of art by itself. And then we just have a few pieces. So because this is such a standout piece, we don't need to go over the top. Just a few nice little elements that has been styled, and it's a really beautiful little section here. So this is all the landing area. So then we have this beautiful little corner over here where obviously we've got the baskets on the wall, the monochromatic baskets, and these really beautiful quirky chairs. Like, this will just be a nice spot to just chill, read a book, contemplate life. Yeah, it's so cool. Next, we have the second bedroom. I think this is a little bit larger. What I really like about this is the texture on the wall. So these buttons on the wall, which just make it really interesting. Again, we have the fabrics, the mudcard fabrics, and I even think like the lighting, it's got kind of a luxe tribal feel about the lighting as well. What I really do love is that there's a lot of black in here, but it's not overbearing because we have white walls, and it's offset by the black and the timber. And that's a really bold move, but it really works well. And we have a beautiful piece of art which brings in some color as well. The other thing I would say is mirrors. There's a lot of mirrors in here, and we've got loads of different shapes and sizes. So we've got 2 oval mirrors in here, and I don't know, I think that they've got like, it almost feels like a door, and that might have been what the intention was, but that is a very nice touch.
All 3 bedrooms have beautifully appointed en-suites, with 2 of the en-suites containing large black bathtubs.
Another standout feature of the villa is the doors. So all of the doors are just really beautiful. So here we have like the timber doors with this rattan insert, natural, and then this one is black. So I think the entry doors are all black, and then the kind of interior doors to the rooms have are more natural, have more of the contrast, but just so beautiful, just a beautiful feature throughout.
So now we're up in the rooftop. This is an amazing space to socialise, to have private parties, to chill with your friends and family, and to get that beautiful 360 rice field view.
So we've got a little bar area here where you can serve up the drinks, and then we've got some like comfy chairs here and those beautiful chairs at the end here.
We all know that every decent villa has to have that Instagram-worthy picture-taking spot, and this is definitely the one. This is also a perfect spot if you want to do some yoga, some stretching, some meditation, or just zen out.
And then we have the master bedroom. Brace yourselves. This is such a big room. The size of it just adds to that sense of luxury. We have a beautiful bed, but I am a concrete girl, so I am so excited about this wall. Like, it's polished concrete and it's really smooth with some color pigmentation in there, so you can see all the texture, and that against the, you know, white walls, very nice. So throughout the villa, I think you've seen themes of the patterns, the fabrics, and that continues in the bedroom as well. And as well as, you know, on the fabrics, we've also got like those tribal patterns in the actual furniture too. So these bedside tables have these beautiful patterns in them, and just works beautifully with the room, I think. The other interesting design element about this room is the placement of that mirror. So we could have gone really obvious and put it in the center there, but it's just kind of off key, kind of on the floor. It's really interesting, and the kind of metallic, I don't know, gold, bronze, metallic frame really works beautifully against this black too.
The main bedroom ensuite is bathroom goals. Like, I have no words. The huge black bath, that beautiful shower, it's just an experience. Like, I'm not even gonna say anymore. I'm just gonna let you experience and watch this for yourselves. In the outdoor space, we've got this beautiful white Santorini style pool, which is overlooking the rice fields. There's an outdoor shower. We've got a sunken seating area, a garden area, and a little alfresco area.
So going back to my door obsession, we have a few of these doors in the villa, but the devil is in the details. Have a look at these handles. Like, we've even got that tribal print going on in the handles. Like, so beautiful.
And let's not forget the entrance to the villa. That door is a whole vibe all on its own. Alright, so that's the end of the villa design tour. I have absolutely loved my time here and I hope you did too, albeit virtually. Let me know if you have any questions. I will put the link to the villa below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,